Associate the family engagement and transition outcome to your transition activities. Select a participant and open the Family Services record. Click to add an event. We're going to select kindergarten orientation. Enter in your date, add a service area and an issue, and click here to select the family engagement and transitions outcome. Enter in your caseworker along with the results. Add notes as needed and press save. Each program can customize which fields should appear with an event. Complete fields per your agency's policy. Report 4110, the Family Services History, will allow you to monitor which of your events or other activities have been connected to the family engagement and transitions outcome. Be on the lookout for the next #CPSmart video.